Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we'll be making the Mexican Mule. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Tequila, I have here 1800, silver, ginger beer, and a lime, 3 items. It's tool time, let's go grab them. Crushed ice, a copper cup, a juice squeezer, a jigger, a bottle opener, a knife, and a bar spoon. First step, what we're gonna do is roll our lime. From here, we'll be cutting in half. We'll also cut a piece here for the garnish. Set the lime aside. Squeeze half the lime into your copper cup. Add 1.5 ounces of tequila. Add ice. Grab your ginger beer, open it. From here, what you can do is you can pre-pour the drink. This will take you to just about close to the rim. That'll be about 3 ounces. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you using a jigger. Stir your drink. And the last step is to add garnish. And there you go, my friends, the Mexican Mule. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.